Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I want to tell my story about CAPSULES Pure Nature. This is green fruits and vegetables superfood supplement for energy and good health. So my story is I just went about a month ago to Mexico and I played a ton of volleyball. I'm in my 40s. I thought I could still play and I came back and I had bruises all over me. I was worried. I didn't know why I had all these bruises and why I was feeling so sluggish and run down, not playing like I should. Got my blood test. Doctor said, hey, you need better nutrition. You need some leafy greens. You need some vegetables. You need some better diet. You can't survive off chicken tendies alone. So I started taking this. It's CAPSULES Pure Nature. It's greens, fruits, and vegetables. It's a super fruit supplement made in the USA, non-GMO. This stuff is absolutely fantastic. It is vegan, and this is a 90-day supply, meaning you get a ton of capsules. So, yeah, you know what the thing is? I'm feeling better, more energetic, and the idea of taking a superfood supplement is just smart. If you can take the best parts of your vegetables, get them into your system, and not have to worry about eating 8 cups of broccoli a day or whatever it may be, that's going to be a huge, huge improvement. Now, you take 4 capsules a day with an 8-ounce glass of water. I usually take it in the morning, get my water in, get my hydration in, and get my veggies in all in one sitting. It's absolutely fantastic. If you're looking to improve your overall health, if you're looking to just feel better, consider taking a superfood supplement, and these greens are absolutely fantastic. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations, where we only show you the best of the best. CAPSULES cares about their brand. They are made in the USA, non-GMO, they're vegan, and they're absolutely fantastic. So yeah, go ahead, pick this up. You will not be disappointed. Thanks again for watching. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations, where we only show you the best of the best so you can forget the rest. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.